Good morning, students. Today we will be going to start a new topic, that is unit fraction. Students, as I already told you in previous chapter, what is a fraction? Fraction is a small part of something. It means when we divide a thing into smaller parts, we call it as fraction. For example, look here. Here I am taking a circle and I am dividing it in 4 equal parts, and I am taking only its 3 parts. So this circle is divided into 4 parts. So I can write this as 3 by 4. Why? Because we represent fraction by numerator and denominator. The numerator and denominator of fractions are the numbers that make a fraction. So in fraction, here is a number, and in denominator we also write a number. Now how we can write these numbers? For example, in this I am dividing this circle in 4 parts. So in denominator I will write 4. डिनोमिनेटर में कौन सा नंबर आता है? जितने पार्ट्स में हम किसी चीज को डिवाइड करते हैं. ओके, एंड इन न्यूमरेटर वी राइट द नंबर विच वी आर कंसिडरिंग. जो सब जितने पार्ट्स हम कंसिडर करते हैं वो हम न्यूमरेटर में राइट करते हैं. इन दिस फिगर आई एम शेडिंग 3 पार्ट्स. So I am considering 3 parts out of 4 parts. So I can write this 3 by 4. So got it? Now what are unit fraction? Unit fraction is a part of fraction. It is a fraction where the numerator is always 1 and denominator may be any positive number, like this. For example, in this, these all are unit fractions. Why? Because in these fractions here numerator is always 1, but in denominator I am writing different numbers. 1 by 2 means we call this half. What it means? Half of a number means I am dividing a thing into 2 equal parts and I am considering only its one part. In unit fraction we always consider one part of a thing. 1 by 3 means I am dividing the thing into 3 parts. किसी चीज को मैंने 3 parts में divide किया है, but उसका सिर्फ एक ही part में consider कर रही हूँ. So unit means 1. So in unit fraction we always consider one part of a thing. We may divide the thing into 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts. It may be 5 or 6 and so on. Now how we can read these unit fraction? We call this as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half of a fraction. Means we are dividing a thing in 2 parts. 1 by 3 means we are dividing a thing into 3 parts. Okay. Now how we can find these unit fraction? We can find unit fraction by divide a thing, by dividing. For example, if I want to find out 1 by 2 of 6. Now 1 by 2 of 6 means, what it means? 1 by 2 means half of 6 things. I have 6 things and I have to divide these 6 things into 2 parts, because here the number is 2 in denominator. So I will divide 6 things into 2 equal parts. So what I will get? It means 6 divided by 2, because I want to divide 6 things. And how many parts? In 2 parts. So I will divide 6 by 2 and I will got here 3. So when I will divide 6 into 2 equal parts, I will get 3. Similarly, if I want to find out 1/3 of a number, for example, if I want to find out 1 by 3 of 9. So now what it means? It means I am having 9 things and I want to divide these 9 things into 3 equal parts. So what it means? I will divide 9 by 3. So what will I get? Again I will get 3. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Similarly, 1 by 4 of a part. So if I want to find out 1 by 4 of 8. Okay? For example, I am taking here 8. What it means? I am having 8 things. मेरे पास 8 things है and I want to divide these 8 things into 4 equal parts. So I have to divide 8 by 4. What I will get? 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Similarly, if I want to find out 1/5 of a number, for example, I am taking here 1/5 of 10. So I want to divide 10 things into 5 equal parts, because in denominator here is the number 5. So I want to divide 10 things into 5 equal parts. So what will I do? I will write here 10 divided by 5. I will divide, because I want to divide 10 things, and in how many parts? In 5 parts. So 10 divided by 5. What I will get when I will divide 10 by 5? I will get here 2. So when I will make 10 things in 5 equal parts, then I will get 2 things in each part. Okay, in this way we can find the fraction, unit fraction of a number. Of means we find, for example, here 1/2 of 6. Of 6 means we want to divide 6 things into this part. 1/3 of 9 means, of means का, we want to divide, we want to find out 1/3 of 9. हम 9 का 1/3 पार्ट फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं. ओके, हम here we want to find out 1/2 part of 6. Here we want to find out 1/4 part of 8. 1/5 part of 6. We will read like this. Okay, now I will explain you this with example also. For example, in this unit fraction, what is unit fraction? In which numerator is 1 and denominator may be any positive number. In this figure, I am taking a circle and I am dividing it into 6 equal parts. We may divide the thing into how many parts? It may be 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, but we will consider only its one part. In this you can see here, I am shading only one part. I have divided the circle into 6 parts, but I am taking only one part. So in numerator I am writing 1 and denominator I am writing 6. So this is a unit fraction. Okay, clear? Got it? What is unit fraction? Now I will explain you this with the help of some candies. Okay, suppose I am explaining all these with example of candies. First of all, we are finding 1/2 of 6, for example. So I am taking 6 candies. Okay, here I am taking 6 candies. ठीक है, 6 candies है मेरे पास. 6 candies में से you can see here clearly 6 candies है मेरे पास. 6 candies में you can see I want to divide into half. 1/2 of 6. तो when I divide 6 by 2, I will get 3. ठीक है, 2 equal parts करने हैं मुझे इसके, तो I am dividing it, and here you can see here 3 candies are there and 3 candies are equal है ना. आपके पास 6 candies है, आप अपनी सिस्टर के साथ इनको शेयर करना चाहते हो, तो आपको 2 equal parts में डिवाइड करनी होगी. इसके लिए क्या करोगे? आप उसको इक्वल करोगे, तो 3 and 3. So if I am taking this part, these 3 candies, it is 1 part of half of 6 candies. Similarly, if I am taking these 3 candies, so this is also half of 6 candies. So I have divided the 6 candies into 2 equal parts. Okay. Similarly, if I want to divide these candies into 3 parts, so in second part we find 1/3 of 9 candies. Okay, so now I am taking 9 candies. ठीक है, मेरे पास यहाँ 9 candies है total, and I want to find out 1/3 of 9. 1/3 means 3. So I want to divide 9 by 3. First of all, we divide 9 by 3. So when I will divide 9 by 3, I will get 3. So 3, 3 and 3. Okay, now 3 parts here. You can see here 3 parts. So this is one part of candy, and this is second part of candy, and this is third part of candy. So you can find 1/3 of 9 in the same way. Okay, देखो, if अगर मैं ये पार्ट लेती हूँ, this is called unit fraction. I am taking one part out of 3 parts. Similarly, this is also one part out of 3 parts. Similarly, this is also one part out of 3 parts. Okay, so in this way you can find out unit fraction of a number. Got it? Thank you.